Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe. I'm a realtor with Tropic Realty here in Citrus County, Florida. Today I'm in the neighborhood of Sugarmill Woods here in Homosassa, touring this home that recently came on the market. It's listed with Gloria Reagan, also with Tropic Realty. It's a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-car garage home. This home is going to have a brand new roof installed before closing. It has a new whole home Generac generator. It has a new hot water heater. It has new flooring and lighting throughout the home. It's just perfectly clean and perfectly ready to move in. So if you're interested in this property, please give me a call at 352-507-5675 and be sure to check the description below with the address, the price, and all the details. Come take a tour with me. so much for joining me on this home tour. If you're interested in this property, please give me a call at 352-507-5675. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting the subscribe button for more home tours here in Citrus County, Florida. Have a good one.